ka Northstone Public School kalayo ban kori ka nam lado ka team event hakaliang gikentai bat ka Anderson High Secondary School kalayo ban kori ka nam lado hakaliang kishinrang jong kalumpung 14 inter school badminton tournament balapaniay de ka West Castle District Badminton Association ya kan kalumpung ka balane lai singilinter lapan ha perdano am tagasingi ka Atrik Julio hakabau Deputy Commissioner ka West Castle District uba Garrett L. Dites ulalong kum ukong san kiladon hadu kharlai tli ki school ngi time Northstone Kibalawan bani syamta tiga lumpung. Dakabay le kairu agi team event singles but double. Halaki jong kirta belapan bay tekinong penian.